Hey Frank, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In the screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business with home improvement. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we will work together to grow your clientele. Now, first question, usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Frank, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying that I like you and can you please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. Now first thing I like to go over is content. Now, since you don't have your own site yet, I'm going to be going over one of your competitors, FIA, which is a Florida home modeling based in Florida. Now, in comparison with a competitor, they have about 920 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is very beatable. This shows how our keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. But in order for your business to be fully optimized to Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to be filled with keywords, and they are not at that mark yet, so this is still very beatable. Now, every month people are searching for a certain keyword a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. Now you see when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs, pull up a competitor, you can see organic words that their site is ranking for. Now you're going to see volume, KD, traffic, and position, and this is cost per click. But this is the keywords that are ranking on his homepage and throughout his site. You can see that the volume is 2,500, and this is an estimate of how many searches this keyword has each month. Now, KD is how hard to rank each one of these words, and traffic is always dependent on the position that you are in. If you're in the first position, you're going to get the most traffic out of the volume than anyone else. So if you're in the third position, you get the least volume, less volume than the first position, if you guys have the same keyword trying to rank for it. Now that you have a small idea what keyword means and how it goes into your content and what goes into a keyword, which is volume, KD, traffic, and position, I can go over to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I want to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or Maps. So you see when I go back to Home Improvement Orlando, Florida, and we see this map pack right here, click on it. You can see that it has a business name, its address, and a phone number. This is called Maps. Now, you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in Maps? Well, to answer your question, I would go to this little tool called Whitespark. Inside the tool is a resource, which is a local citation finder. Now, you can see I already did a search for your competitor, via remodeling. You can see that it only has 17 citation sources, so this is very beatable. But you see not all 17 are listed down here below, and that is because they are not credible for Google to be listed as a citation. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word in directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. Now we want your citations double to what your local competition would have. So at least double or triple what he has. Now that you know a little bit about what goes into citation and how it helps your Google ranking, the third thing I'd like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives us that authority, link juice. So you see when I do a search for home improvement Orlando, Florida, and I go past the map pack, you can see the handyman company and Sheer Modeling and Carol Bradford are all on the first page of Google. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be at the competition in every aspect. Now this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a relative site, say, FIA Remodeling linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back at you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now, I'm going to pull up this tool Ahrefs again, and if you're looking to use this tool, I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer. And here we can see he has 13,900 backlinks, which is a lot. But the cool thing about this tool is that you can look down, you can take every single one that he has and make them your own. So going back over content, citations, and backlinks, the three things I just went over. For your content, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your homepage, and any service page, you want to offer at least 500 for each of these. Now, any about page or contact page to be fully optimized to Google, you need at least 250 still filled keywords. And for your citations, you need at least double, triple citations that anyone has in your local area, and that will put you on top of the maps. Lastly, the link juice. You need more relevant sites when you guys show Google your authority. So, I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.